Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. And as mentioned before, we are going to do another science experiment from the 10-minute science experiments book from Smithsonian. It's a quick, fun, and yummy experiment to do. Let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do another science experiment called floating letters. So what you're going to need are M&Ms, bowls, and a cup of water. You gotta take some M&Ms and put them in your bowl. And the M's have to be facing up. Okay, so you just gotta flip them over. Oh, that one has an N and an M. Okay, so you guys
like Skittles.
See how they're all facing up? They have to be like that. So next step says that you have to pour some room temperature water inside the bowl of M&Ms. Like so. So now we're gonna observe the bowl for 10 to 20 minutes and see what happens. Okay, let's fast forward this part. Oh cool, look! You can see the dyes dissolving and mixing together. This shows that the dyes are water soluble. So the M's are starting to float in the water. This happens because the M's are not water soluble, so they don't dissolve, but instead float in the water without breaking apart. Pretty cool.
Wipe it on your shorts. Done. That's enough.
Let's check out another bowl of M&Ms. This one is so colorful and has so many M's floating at the top.
Oh my God.
Pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to try out more experiments for you. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
3,
Bet.
2, 1.
Ew.
Oh, it tastes actually good. It's hard, right?
Okay. It's hard, right?
Yeah. Whoa, wait, when you pick it up, it all comes off. And now it's just chocolate.
True.
We're disgusting.